Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and the last thing my husband and I want to happen when we are biking together is to get a flat tire. But we don't worry about that nearly as much anymore since we got this Vibrelli mini bike pump. It is the perfect compact size for taking with us absolutely anywhere. I could easily carry it with me in my backpack, but it comes with a holster that can attach directly to a bike frame. Because our bikes don't have holes on the frame where we could attach the pump with screws, we use the Velcro strap attachment. This way of attaching the pump holster is actually really secure and convenient, and we can easily switch it between our bikes. The pump is really simple, straightforward, and fast to use. It attaches and locks onto our bike tire valve really well. If we happen to need a bit more air, this pump has a really cool adaptable feature. We can extend it to get more air pumping into our tires. The pump mechanism slides really well and super smoothly. The pump also comes with some tire patches, so if we happen to get some damage to one of our tires, these have totally got us covered. We feel totally comfortable going as far as we want on our bikes now. We don't have to worry about getting stranded with a flat tire thanks to this Vibrelli mini bike pump. But that's just my point of view.